So he's what he did is he removed from the H pipe right here from the front. Now you also have two 13mm bolts to remove from here, and now your H pipe will actually come out. H or in this case H, and sometimes X pipe will come out. And once this is out, now your exhaust, your mufflers will come out. There we go. So now you have to wiggle it out until No, ahí no necesitas sacarlo. You don't need to take it out of there. You know, no. Go ahead. Just keep pulling it. So there you guys. You need to wiggle and maneuver, and yeah, there you go. It's out.